Hey there, let's put together one of our newest porch pots. It's called Hosta Vista. This one, of course, comes with one of these cool little hostas in this rich burgundy color. We've also got some dusty colors, some bright, vibrant coleus. We're going to start with the base of this porch pot first. I'm using a 14-inch diameter clay pot filled with dirt. The dirt has extra roots, so it makes everything more secure when you insert. All of these stems can just be shoved into the dirt and shaped to give them more of a lifelike appearance. If you're using an ivy, you want to make sure to bend it over the edge of the pot and allow it to drape like it would when it was growing in real life. We can do the same thing with the coleus. It comes straight and flat out of a package, so make sure you give it plenty of bends. Move and bend every little tip for maximum fullness on your plant. Sometimes easier before you put that in the pot. These two are going on the left and the right. They're filling out the back towards the back of the pot, and then at the front, the focal point is, of course, the fun little hosta and a peperomia plant, which has that burgundy and green coloring. It makes it really interesting. Look at all the contrast already in our pot. We haven't even added the flowers yet. The feature of the flowers is this beautiful fuchsia. There's got a lot going on here. Fuchsia is generally a hanging planter type of thing. We're going to use this in more of an upright as the center of the pot, sprouting up and out. The fullness of the longer pieces really fills that out right away. Then we've got a little extra pieces for the height here. These are some ficus leaves. Now they're going to come very stick straight. So giving them a little bit of a bend and a wave to the stems will give them some natural shape and not be so awkwardly straight. That'll also, by bending it, create more fullness. So here we're just rolling the stem a little bit, giving it a little bit of a curve so it softens it up. So a top and a side kind of offsets the draping of the ivy on the left. And then lastly, we've got these three little guys, bright and colorful, bringing that purpley blue color up to the top. These were a hit last year for longevity in the elements. And those three will frame out the top of the porch pot. And there we have it. This one's called Hosta La Vista.